Hey there, fellow engineers. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of ancient Rome, where civil engineering truly laid the foundation for one of the greatest civilizations in history. Now, imagine this. It's the 1st century AD and the Roman Empire is at its peak. Roads, aqueducts, and monumental structures everywhere you look. None of this would have been possible without the genius of Roman civil engineers. Let's start with roads. The Romans built over 250,000 miles of roads, many of which are still in use today. They were masters of layer construction, using gravel, sand, and paving stones to create durable all-weather roads. These roads weren't just for travel, they were vital for military movements, trade, and communication. Next up, aqueducts. These marvels of engineering brought fresh water from distant sources into cities and towns. The Aqua Appia, one of the earliest, spanned over 10 miles. Using gravity and precise gradients, Roman engineers ensured a constant flow of water, which was crucial for public baths, fountains, and even private homes. And who could forget the Colosseum? This iconic structure showcased not just Roman architectural prowess, but also their ability to manage the large crowds efficiently. With its complex system of vaults and arches, it could accommodate up to 50,000 spectators. But it wasn't just about grand structures. Roman engineers also excelled in urban planning. Roman cities were meticulously designed with straight streets, public spaces, and efficient sewage systems, many of which inspired modern urban planning. So, next time you marvel at modern engineering feats, remember that much of what we know today has roots in the ingenuity of Roman civil engineers. They truly were the backbone of the Roman Empire. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Roman engineering, hit that like button and subscribe for more engineering wonders. Catch you next time.